To add Google Merchant Center to Wix, you need to have a Wix online store and a Google Merchant Center account. Start by setting up your Google Merchant Center account if you don't have one. Go to the Google Merchant Center website and sign in with your Google account. Follow the prompts to create a new account and verify your business. Once your account is set up, go to your Wix dashboard and navigate to the Marketing and Advertising section. Click on the Google Merchant Center option and then click Connect Account. You will be redirected to the Google Merchant Center website where you will need to authorize Wix. To access your account, once authorized, you will be redirected back to your Wix dashboard. In your Wix dashboard, you will see a prompt to set up your Google Merchant Center feed. This feed will sync your Wix store products with your Google Merchant Center account. Click on the Setup Feed option and follow the prompts to complete the setup process. You will need to choose the products you want to sync and set up your shipping and tax settings. Once the feed is set up, your Wix store products will be synced with your Google Merchant Center account. You can then use Google Merchant Center to manage your products and run shopping ads. It is essential to ensure your products are accurate and up to date in both your Wix store and Google Merchant Center account. This will help you avoid any errors or discrepancies. By following these steps, you can easily add Google Merchant Center to your Wix online store and start managing your products and running shopping ads.